Welcome to Bitcoin News Today. I'm James Winsoar, and in this episode I'm going to be talking about when to buy Bitcoin. So let's zoom in at the latest activity. I'll go to the 15-minute chart and I'll talk about a common common mistake, I believe, where you can easily get caught out. So we've seen today there's been some good increase in price, so great if you are taking profits, and we've seen some reasonably big candles here, green candles. So for example, there was one today at yesterday at 5:45 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and the price went from 9,458 to 9,611, an increase of 1.62%. So not a huge amount. So where would you have entered this trade, if at all? Let me know in the comments. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and have a look for a even larger candle. You see that recently the price has been increasing quite rapidly. So where would you have bought on this particular movement? Personally, I would have bought back down here, where the price was low. So we had a low MACD, the MACD was minus 86 back there, and the RSI was low at 9. So anything lower than say 20 on the RSI does indicate that the price is lower than it should be, and sure enough we have seen an increase in price. So also what you can see here is the price around this area was lower than all of the averages, because I've got several moving averages here coloured in a certain code. I'll put the link to my chart in the video description, so you can use that yourself and look out for blue, green, yellow, red, a low MACD and a low RSI as signals that it would be a good opportunity to buy around this price. So let's look at what profit you could have made. So you could have bought down here, for example, and the price went up today to top out round about here. That's an increase of 9%, not bad. And that was in 1 day and 22 hours. So you need patience. To get gains of 9%, you do need some patience. So why, for example, would you not have got involved here when the price was going up? So let's say you spotted the price was going up and you bought here, and you started to sell here, for example, or maybe you missed the top, it started to come down again, so you might have sold around here. That's a 4% gain, still not bad, and it was over 15 hours, so still a long time, really, in cryptocurrency terms at least, to be holding on to your Bitcoin. So let's look at another scenario. Let's go to the 1 day chart. Now you need so much patience for this particular strategy, but again we saw the price dropping, the MACD was dropping and started to level out. The RSI was dropping as well and went to kind of bottomed out here, and you saw it was leveling out. So maybe you could have got in the trade here. The price was below all of the moving averages. Timing is important, and that's where practice comes in. So say for example you bought down there where the price was at 6,719, and then you saw that the price was going up to today's price, which is around about that level. That is a 44% gain over 21 days. So a really, really good gain. But again, it's a 21-day period, so it is a long, long time. So maybe you could use a mixture of these different techniques. But the one that I don't like is the one where you kind of try to jump in on a trade, because it can go wrong. So let's just go back to find another big upward candlestick. So we got one on the 26th of April. So maybe you was watching your computer screen and you saw the price suddenly going up really high. So you jumped in, maybe you jumped in here, and it went up and up and up. Then it started to drop, so you decided to sell there. It's a 4% gain over 17 hours of watching your screen. And the time that you got in was not optimal really, because the RSI was very high. That indicates that it's oversold, and the MACD was on the way up as well. So a risky maneuver, because it could so easily have come down. So say for example, if you thought the candle was going up and up and up, you bought in here, and remember you would have paid fees on that purchase, because it's not a limit order. If you're just buying with a market order, there are fees associated with that. And then the price could have come down lower, and then maybe you bought with a stop limit order, or a stop market order. I don't know, however you might have done that, and it could have ended up in a loss. So not the optimal way to trade in my opinion. So if you do want to get alerts on the best times to buy, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you appreciate this information, please do give the video a thumbs up and share it out. Also, I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. I know that a lot of people don't agree with me, so please let me know in the comments whether you agree or don't agree. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you again tomorrow. It's not a good time to buy at the moment with Bitcoin because the price is very high. So do check out my videos. If anything changes, I will make another video, but I'm going to wait for the price to come down, which could be a day or two. But as I showed you, patience can pay off. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.